Good morning, children. Today we will continue our chapter 2 of English grammar. What we were doing? Nouns and its kinds. Okay? Yesterday we have done common noun, proper noun, and abstract nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. What is common noun? It is the names of a particular group, like particular kind of things or person or animal. Okay? What are proper noun? Proper noun are the names of a particular person or a animal or a thing or a place. Okay? What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are the qualities, actions, feelings or idea. Okay? We have read yesterday what are abstract nouns. I hope you have all remember. Now we will do its exercise. Exercise C. A and B we have done yesterday. I hope you have completed. We will do exercise C. 1. Dark. We have to change these words into abstract nouns. Okay. First is dark. Darkness. Second, equal. Equality. Third is hard. Hardship. Fourth is honest. Honesty. Fifth is long. Length. Sixth is act. Action. Seventh is friend. Friendship. Eighth is deliver. Delivery. Ninth is fail. Failure. Okay? Now we will do our next exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the underlined words to make abstract nouns. इसमें 2 सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं. इसमें फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में कुछ ना कुछ वर्ड अंडरलाइंड है. उस अंडरलाइंड वर्ड से हमें एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन बनाना है जो कि नेक्स्ट वाले फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में भरा जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स डू इट. फर्स्ट, Arnav is not my real brother, but nobody is able to know the realness. Second, the judge was wise in his decision. His judgment went into the favor of the innocent. Third, tell me how deep is the Caspian Sea? I'm sorry, I have no idea about its real deepness. Fourth one, it is difficult for Mark to heal quickly. It is true that his health is deteriorating fast. Fifth, it is true we became free on 15th August. Nobody can deny this truth that we were slaves once. Sixth, no country likes to be a slave of another country. Slavery is disliked by wise people. Seventh, King Bhoj was very wise. His wisdom was deep and commendable. Eighth, Sakina looks extremely innocent. Her innocence can heal even the sick. Ninth, the waterfall was very long. Nobody could judge its length. 10th, Dr. Gambhir is able heart surgeon. His ability lies in his dedication. Fourth, collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a collection of persons, animals, things taken together as a whole. इसमें जैसे कॉमन नाउन होता है ना, कॉमन नाउन में आप बॉय बोलते हो, गर्ल बोलते हो, बट इसमें आप उससे ज़्यादा बोलते हो. लाइक अ लार्ज क्राउड. क्राउड इज़ अ गैदरिंग ऑफ पीपल. अ क्रू ऑफ सेलर्स, मतलब बहुत सारे सेलर्स. एक पर्टिकुलर नाम का सेलर होगा, दैट इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन. Sailor is a common noun, but a crew of sailors is a collective noun. Okay, we will read examples. A crew of sailors is taking rest before the sea voyage. Second, a large crowd gathered at Kumbh Mela to have a dip in the holy water. An army of soldiers fitted the tunnel with explosive. A team of players wore the uniform. Here, crew, crowd, army, and team are collective nouns, as word crew represents not one sailor but many sailors. Similarly, crowd represents many people. Army represents many soldiers and team represents many players. Some list of collective nouns. An army of soldiers, a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of keys, a bundle of sticks, a class of students, a cluster of trees, a crew of sailors, a crowd of people, a fleet of ships, a flock of sheep, a gang of thieves, a herd of cattle, a jury of judges, a library of books, a litter of puppies, an orchard of fruit trees, a pack of cards, dogs, wolves, a pair of scissors, shoes, a shoal or school of fish, a team of players, and a troop of soldiers. Now we will do exercise E. Fill in the blanks spaces with collective nouns from those given in the box. First, Bobby always keeps a pack of cards wherever he goes out for a long journey. Neha sprinkled water on the bouquet of flowers to keep them look fresh. Third, issue me a book from the library, please. Fourth, the pair of scissors on the table cannot cut the cloth. Fifth, Gulliver pulled a fleet of ships. Sixth, the bundle of sticks is too heavy to lift. Seventh, the team needs practice to win the match. Eighth, the gang of robbers looted the jewelry shop. Okay, now we will do our exercise F. Pick out the nouns from the sentences. Write their kind on the space provided. First, post this letter for me. Here, what is a noun? Letter, and it is a common noun. Second, he flew from Mumbai to London. Mumbai and London both are proper nouns. Third, deploy the army at once. Here, it is a common noun. Fourth, Miss Alex is our science teacher. Here Miss Alex is proper nouns, science is proper noun, and teacher is a common noun. Fifth, Mayur's honesty will pay him in the long run. Here Mayur is proper and honesty is abstract noun. Sixth, the field was set for Kohli. Here field is common and Kohli is proper noun. Now we will do exercise G. Cross out the odd nouns in the following groups of words. First, dairy, sheet, Hyderabad, rope, bank. Here, सेकेंड, फर्स्ट हैदराबाद इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन एंड इसलिए वो ऑड है. सेकेंड, गैंग, बंच, क्रू, लिटर, इंस्ट्रूमेंट. हेयर इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन, बाकी सारे कलेक्टिव नाउन है. थर्ड, ब्यूटिफुल, ब्यूटी, क्यूट, प्रिटी, स्मार्ट. हेयर ब्यूटिफुल इज़ द ऑड वन. फोर्थ, garden, crew, flower, thorn, stem. Here crew is odd. Fifth, Neel, Thames, Gomti, river, Satluj. Here river is a common and hence it is odd. Now we will do exercise H. Complete the puzzle with the help of collective nouns and abstract nouns. Okay? First, slavery has been abolished in India. Okay? Across मतलब horizontal में भरना है और down मतलब vertical में भरना है. उसमें numbers डले हुए हैं, बाकी आप इसको देख के भी भर सकते हो. इसको pause कर लो फिर भर लेना. बाकी I will read it and you can also fill it from here. Slavery has been abolished in India. Second, please give me a bunch of grapes. Third, that cluster of trees bear flowers in spring. Fourth, there is a big orchard of fruits near the school. Fifth, they laughed and their laughter was very loud. Sixth, I take pleasure in swimming. Seventh, Ritesh is a competent person. His knowledge in every field is commendable. Eighth, a litter of puppies are in the basket. Ninth, young is that period of life when everybody is full of energy. 10th, I am voracious reader, so I have a library in my house. Okay? I hope you will complete this. Okay? The chapter is completed. We have completed our first chapter and the third chapter. Okay children, so please read it again at your homes. Thank you.